This is the next project that we are how do you say it? I can't even say it.
Collaborating.
And listen, vanilla ice. What are you doing?
Whale skeleton to go on metal. Where did you put it?
Yeah, that one there.
What is it?
Oh, this, I took it aside.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand there.
But basically, it is the body for this whale tail. This is a stencil, which will be in metal. Yes.
How's it going?
Fun.
Just checking.
Okay, I do my way.
Yeah, you do whatever works for
It
you.
just makes sense to me.
Yeah, it's fine. Looking good.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're going to have a skeleton.
Yeah, hopefully we have a nice skeleton.
Okay.
Continue.
Sorry.
So I had to make some brackets here to get the wood on, and I want to be able to secure it because this base is actually very heavy, and I want to put flimsy screws in that when someone tries to pick up the table from the top, all of a sudden it just pulls out. So I'm going to go for extra strength here. We're going to drill right through the first piece of wood and then the second. So hopefully everything is nice and solid. And this, what's happening from here is the base is going on top this way. Then we're going to center it, and then our big ring of rings, which we could not resist using, it's going to go there. And then we pour the epoxy on it. So it should be quite cool, something very interesting. So the first attempt we made, I welded something up that didn't work out well. It just, my mistake though, this stuff here is so thin that it's, when I welded it just warped, and that I couldn't use it. I didn't have a flat base, so we thought let's put some wood underneath, use it as a nice strong base so it's nice and level, and that when we pour the epoxy it will be perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay,
oh my gosh! Okay. That's the winner. So we have finally gotten to the position where we can put the resin down. We're so excited. It's like, we just want to jump to the end of it. You know that it's the process and you've got to do step by step. So we've leveled this out now as much as we could. And that's going to stop the silicone in the first part because we're going to do multiple colors on this. And see what the stand looks like. Welding the wheels, the legs. Karen's getting the silicone ready. So yeah, it's going to be good. The temperature's kind of dropping now, so I want to try to go as quick as possible. So let's see how it goes. Point here was to use the grain of the wood to look like the waves, and Still keeping that, retaining that. This is the first layer. Tomorrow we're going to do a second layer and put some waves in it and stuff. I'll probably run waves around this area. This is the day after second pour. It came out beautiful. I'm very happy with it. We shouldn't have put the silicone on. In our minds we thought it will overflow, so we kind of like did a silicone border. I'm realizing now that was a mistake.
This technique on the top part,
Yeah.
and then for this specific wave I'm going to do it when it's a little bit dry. So when I do this one I'll do the wave here, so that it has that like fresh, you know, it was like a 3D.
Yeah, it's kind of, I can see when you hit it how nice it is. It's a cloud it's a reflection of the sky.
Planet!
I have an idea in my head with this, but what's in your head and what comes out are two different things sometimes. But let's see what happens. Let's see if I can get it to where I want it to be. Trying to figure this thing out. I think from where I'm at now, I'm happy. My idea is now to make a second jaw section, but I think I must make that one more round, like my original idea, and curving here, because here ideally that's where the eyeball goes. The eyes need to be around here. I think I'm going to just make a hole to get some proportions. But this one, I think I should just cut it according to my initial. So this is where we're at now. So I've managed to get to this part. I shaped a nice section here, gave it a bit of curves as the way it would be. Cut these out of gears, and I'm placing these in. And it's starting to take shape. I'm so excited! Can you do? Gotta get excited about things in this world today. Otherwise we just sink to the bottom of the ocean. No pun intended. Let's put on the fin. So I cut this out of a little gear. I think it's clutches. Anyway, it looks cool for me. To me. Did I bend this one enough? Let's have a look. That's not bad. Just tidying it up, making it look sexy. I think we're good. I don't want to leave it at that, just give it a clear lacquer. I can actually clean that up a little bit. Clean that up a little, and then, yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Thank you, Taryn. How fun it would be if I put a screen and it goes right through to the epoxy. I'm busy. Bring me that funny remark. Who are we talking to? Oh yes. It's coming together. It's gonna be together forever.